Can a ductless mini split heat pump reduce your energy bill? Yes! The savings start the second you install a ductless system. With rising energy costs in West Deptford, New Jersey, a ductless mini split by Lennox could be your best choice for home heating and cooling. Consider that the average New Jersey residential electricity rate is 14% higher than the national average, and with fuel prices on the rise, it's a great time to consider a ductless mini split. Ready to count the savings? The first way you'll save is because there's little to no energy waste with a ductless heating and cooling system. Compare that to traditional systems that force air through ductwork, which develops leaks and holes over time, causing up to a 30% energy loss. The second way you'll save is because a Lennox ductless mini split has some of the highest energy efficiencies and uses modern-day inverter technology. Many homeowners report savings of up to 50% on their utility bills. Thirdly, you may even qualify for rebates and incentives on ductless mini split heat pump. Many Lennox mini split systems are Energy Star rated and may qualify for further savings. Ready to go ductless? Hire a ductless contractor with credentials. Campbell Comfort Systems is a Lennox premier contractor located in West Deptford, New Jersey, and is NATE certified, BBB rated, and nationally recognized as a ductless all-star. It doesn't get any better than that. Call 856-420-4425 today.